I'm afraid now if I should put this egg or what you are doing. Ha! It has been a long time ago. Oh my god. It has been a long time that I vlog, guys. I won't say that I'm busy. I won't say that I'm not busy, but it's not easy, but easy. It's only God that is our strength. Understand? There are some times that you'll be doing some things and something, and you will feel like you're exhausted. But inside that exhausted that you are not even seeing what what you have really done or the result of the thing you are doing. That is what just made me to just go for a break. And I know that I just went off like that without any notice or anything. But guys, pardon me, I'm back. You understand? Because sometimes some days are like that. You just feel like let me rest. You understand? So how you're doing? Welcome back once again. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, is your girl, your mama, that chicks in the building, a mom of five living here in Port Harcourt State, Pitaqua. You understand? Guys, what I want to do right now is that because this is my new area, will need lights. So just want to do some strolling, which I will not take you guys along. Maybe later I will gist you guys, but wait for the next clip of this video. See you. Keep watching and don't go away because it's not over here until it's over.
It's in pieces, all of them.
Just look at how tiny this egg is. Great, you're making us live here. If you want to stay here, stay here. Don't be making us. I'm making video, so no noise. If you talk, that one is different than to be making noise. Don't close that door. Jesus. All my effort is gone. Guys, can you see? Hi. After breaking all the eggs, guys, what do I do? How do I extract this thing? Can you see it's two color? I break 6 eggs. The 7th one got spoiled. Guys, can you see? How do I explain this thing? Should I cook it without this egg? No. Not that bad. All this pop. They will not see me this nice. Don't go back. Guys, I don't really know what to do. If I should put this egg, I don't know if I should put this egg. You guys saw what happened earlier when I was breaking this egg. So I'm afraid now if I should put this egg or we should just eat this yam like this. Honestly, hope my face is showing. I don't know. I don't really know if we should eat this thing like this because that one egg that spoiled. After breaking 6 eggs and one spoiled it. I don't need, but the thing don't have smell. It doesn't have any all smell. God, I beg them. And my kids are jumping up that we are making egg sauce. Yeah, and it's late to go out to buy another egg again. It's very late to go and buy another one. I cover the food with the blood of Jesus. Nothing will happen. And it will not, the bad one will not spoil the taste of this food.
I respect it.